Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So take the thread and roll it on the top of it like this by leaving a few space on the downside. Now roll it till the end and then put it in the between like this in the space and pull it out like this and then make a round like shape. Now fix it from the between and pull it out on the back side and it's done. Next, take a thread and then fold it like this. Now roll it around the thread. Now make a space and put the thread in the between. Pull it out and then again make a space. Roll it around it and then put it in the between and then pull it out. Now again roll it and then fix it by folding it like this. Pull it out, again roll it and fix it one by one as shown. Fold it one by one and fix them together like this. Now put it in the between again and then pull it on the back side and fix it like this. Spread it little bit and make a flower like shape. Now fix it and it's done. Now you can put it in the between to make it like this. Fix it at the end and pull it on the back side. Fix it and it's ready. Next, take a pink color thread and then fold them together. Roll it like this. Now fold it from the other side and pull it out like this. Now fix them into each other from the between. Fix it like this on the side and then stretch these threads. Now pull it like this and it's done. I hope you liked it. Next, take the thread, roll it like this, roll it and then put it in the between. Now again repeat the process. Make a space, put the thread in the between, roll it and then again put in the between like this. Keep folding it and then repeat the process for few more times. Now pull it on the downside, again repeat it and then at the end fix it in the between like this and pull it. And then after repeating few more steps like this in the same manner till the end, we will stretch it like this and it's done. Next, take the thread and roll it in the shape of the 8 digit like this. Now after folding it, put the thread in the between and pull it out from the back side like this and stretch it. And it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take the threads and roll it. Fold it like this and then fold it along with the threads. Now put it from the sides and then put it like this from the other side. Fold it one by one in the same manner. Repeat the process for few more times. Tie the threads as shown here. Fix it from the sides and again pull it in the between. Now fix it together on the back like this after folding it. Fold it and put it on the back side like this and pull it out. And it's done. I hope you liked it. Next, take the thread and make the 8 digit out of it like this. Fold it in the shape of the 8. Now put it in the between and pull it from the downside and it's done. Thanks for watching our video.